Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Are you a nature lover who likes seeing birds flock in your garden and currently looking for bird baths and bird bath accessories or easy deck mount for it? If you're looking for a deck mount, then the Easy Deck Mount for 20-inch bird bath will be the perfect product for you. This is a sturdy deck mount for any Allied Precision 20-inch bird baths. Now you can make sure that your priced bird bath will have a special deck that will surely hold it conveniently. Here are its technical specifications. Manufacturer is Allied Precision. Dimensions are 3.25 by 5 by 8. Weight is 1 pound. This is ideal for your yard, garden, lawn, or patio. So what are you waiting for? You can have the Easy Deck Mount for 20-inch bird bath today at a very affordable price. And make sure that your priced bird bath will have a special deck. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.